Hello, my name is Ileana Padilla Boyd, and I'm a state certified teacher in the state of Florida. I'm also the owner of Bright Starts Educational Services. Let's talk a little bit about how to practice reading comprehension skills, whether it's in a classroom or whether it's in your home. Over here we have a simple story that we can begin with. Now, what I've done here is I love to use highlighters. I think highlighters have been the best thing invented for visual learners. Once you get to your story, you may start by highlighting the important parts of the story. For example, the characters, you can highlight them in one particular color. After that, the setting, you can highlight it in a different color. You can also highlight the plot, and you can highlight the ending. Now, once you've done this with your class or at home, you can have a worksheet similar to this one that complements the story that you just read to the class and the highlighters that you use. Here I'm showing that the characters are highlighted in pink. So if you go back to the story, you will look here and see that the highlighter shows you, the pink highlighter shows you the characters. At this point, the setting is highlighted in yellow. You go back to your story and you find that the setting is there in yellow. At that point, you continue on down with plot, with what happens in the story, and with your ending, which is also known as the conclusion of a story. Once you have all of this down on your worksheet, you go back to your story and revise it together. It will all make sense, and this way again, with the colors instilled in your story, it will click for the students. This is a very easy way to catch their attention, their interests, and once again, to make them feel very competent of what they've done.